told your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if iPhone speaker not working, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your phone. So just go to the general again, and in the general you need to tap on software update. And if you see here, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install, and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your iPhone. And if you still have this error, so just try to fix it. Just try to make hard restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen. So just keep holding power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, it means that you successfully made force restart, and after you will see Apple logo. So just release finger from power button, and just wait until your system will load. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.